Hey Boilermakers, we're coming to you today from the Lawrence Restaurant at the Discovery Park District at Purdue. Here's your Purdue News Now 1-minute update. Purdue University's Spring Presidential Lecture Series will feature best-selling science writer Timothy Ferris, AMD CEO Lisa Su, Adobe CEO Shantanu Narayan, and tech investor Bruce Leak, bringing top innovators to campus throughout February, March, and April. Welcome to Lawrence to the Discovery Park District at Purdue. The new Farm Fresh restaurant by Cunningham Restaurant Group celebrates Indiana agriculture inside the newly restored Beck Barn. It can accommodate up to 200 guests and is open daily. Purdue's veterinary medicine team used high-tech CT scans to help the Children's Museum of Indianapolis recently prepare a future exhibit on the Jurassic-era Allosaurus, bringing cutting-edge imaging to a prehistoric fossil. Purdue has been honored with the 2026 Carnegie Community Engagement Classification, recognizing its deep, long-standing partnerships and community impact across Indiana and beyond. And the Purdue Board of Trustees will meet Friday morning for their February meeting. A special edition of Purdue Today will be issued after. Have a great week, and as always, boiler up.